Watch this. LM Studio enters 2025 as one of the most exciting and practical tools for anyone exploring the frontier of local AI, marketed as a desktop application that makes running large language models accessible, fast, and secure. While cloud-based platforms like ChatGPT and Gemini dominate the headlines, LM Studio is carving its own niche by allowing users to download, run, and interact with open-source models directly on their own machines without needing constant internet access or giving up control of personal data. The question is, does LM Studio really deliver a smooth and powerful local AI experience? Or is it still best suited for tech enthusiasts with high-end hardware? At first glance, LM Studio stands out for its sleek, user-friendly interface. Unlike many developer-heavy AI tools that require complicated setups, LM Studio offers a streamlined experience that feels polished and intuitive. From the dashboard, users can browse a library of available models, ranging from compact, efficient 7B parameter models all the way to larger, more capable 70B ones. Each model can be downloaded with a click, then launched locally for chat-based interactions, testing prompts, or building prototypes. For beginners, this means getting started with AI experimentation without needing coding knowledge. For power users, it offers deeper settings for customization, memory, and performance management. Performance is one of LM Studio's biggest selling points. The app is optimized for modern consumer hardware, leveraging GPUs and Apple Silicon processors to run advanced models faster and with less resource drain. With support for quantization, models can be compressed and optimized, so even laptops can handle surprisingly complex outputs. Early adopters report that LM Studio runs efficiently on machines with as little as 16 gigabytes of RAM, though higher specs deliver smoother performance with larger models. This flexibility makes LM Studio a bridge between professional AI research and everyday use. Another major advantage is privacy. Because LM Studio runs models locally, your prompts and responses never leave your device. This is a stark contrast to cloud-based AI platforms that log and process queries on remote servers. For journalists, businesses, or anyone dealing with the sensitive data, this privacy-first approach is a game changer. Combined with offline access, it means you can use AI anywhere, on a plane, in a secure lab, or simply without worrying about internet stability. LM Studio also emphasizes integration. Developers can link it into their workflows with APIs, making it possible to embed local models into apps, websites, or custom projects. Creative professionals can experiment with content generation, brainstorming, or coding assistance. Educators can use it to demonstrate how AI models work without needing expensive server resources. For hobbyists, it's a chance to play with AI tools that normally feel out of reach. Of course, limitations exist. Running large models still requires significant computing power. If you want to run the biggest 70 billion parameter models smoothly, you'll need high-end hardware. Model availability, while growing, still can't compete with the breadth of cloud services. And while the interface is user-friendly, some advanced configuration options may intimidate casual users. Battery consumption on laptops is also a concern when running heavy workloads. That said, the value proposition is strong. LM Studio is free to download and use, with optional upgrades for advanced features. Compared to paying monthly subscriptions for API tokens or cloud AI tools, it's a cost-effective way to explore AI without long-term commitments. The open source community around LM Studio is also vibrant, with frequent updates, new models, and active discussions driving its growth. The bottom line, LM Studio in 2025 is one of the most practical, polished, and empowering tools for local AI exploration. It combines ease of use, strong performance, and privacy-first design in a way that makes AI accessible to more people than ever before. If you've ever wanted to run AI on your own terms, whether for professional projects, creative exploration, or just curiosity, LM Studio is worth trying. It may not replace the convenience of cloud platforms yet, but it's an essential step toward a future where powerful AI runs directly on your desktop. Mission accomplished if this review helps you decide whether LM Studio deserves a place in your AI toolkit this year.